36 District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. When your name is called, please unmute your device and give the court your full attention. Good morning, Your Honor. Okay.
This is People versus Diamond Davis. I'm sorry, you guys can hear me?
We hear you now.
Oh, okay. I was saying, good morning, Mr. Petway. Good morning, Ms. Testa Marion. This is the People versus Diamond Davis. Ticket number 484879. Count 1, no operator's license in possession. Count 2, no insurance. Count 3, unregistered motor vehicle. Tickets number 395348. Count 1, drive-by license suspended. Count 2, unregistered. I'm sorry, hold on. What is it?
Oh, no record.
Oh.
That's one of those, no record. Count 2.
Count 1 with driving while license suspended. Ticket number 224806. Count 1, no operator's license in possession. Count 2, drive unregistered motor vehicle. Ticket number 396091. Count 1, no operator's license in possession. Ticket number 257379. Count 1, no operator's license in possession. Ticket number 12472216. Count 1, no operator's license in possession. Ticket number 1542988. Count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, no insurance on motor vehicle. Ticket number P587320. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Ticket number P388841. Count 1, allowing unlicensed drivers to drive. And then ticket number 115444797. Count 1, no operator's license never acquired. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Testa Marion.
Good morning, Your Honor. Lucille Towns, Testa Marion, on behalf of the client. Miss Diamond, would you state your full name for the record, please?
Diamond Davis.
Thank you. Your Honor, there is, this is a arraignment on a bench warrant. We'd ask that the warrants be recalled in the matter. There is a offer by the people. My client would like to avail herself of the offer. She has been advised of her rights.
Ms. Davis, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Testa Marion in private about your case and your rights. Did you hear my question?
Oh, I didn't hear you.
Have you had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Testa Marion today in private about your case and your rights?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of May 14, 2019 at approximately 9:11 a.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of Linden and Terry in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2008 Dodge vehicle?
Yes.
And did you not have an operator's license on in your possession?
No, I didn't.
Was the vehicle unregistered?
Yes.
I'm gonna direct, and you're satisfied with those factual basis?
Counsel satisfied with the factual basis for the plea on that matter, on those two matters.
Okay, so the court is going to amend those counts to fail to display and improper plate. I'm gonna also direct your attention to the date of March 11, 2016 at approximately 1:27 PM on that date and time, where you at or near the location of Greenfield and Linden in the city of Detroit.
Yes.
Were you driving a 2003 Chevrolet?
Yes.
And did you not have a driver's license?
No, I didn't.
You're satisfied with that?
Council satisfied, Your Honor, with the factual basis.
So the court, you know what, I'm sorry. So the ticket number ending in 879, those are both, look at those will both be improper plates. And then this will be amended to fail to display. And then you stipulate the probable cause as to all the remaining tickets to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
Okay, so those are dismissed without prejudice. We will proceed to sentencing. The court is going to order a fine for a ticket number ending in 879 for both of those tickets of $200 each. So that's gonna be a total of $400. Can you have that paid by August 17th?
August 17th. No, probably the end of August, like not August, like the beginning of November,
Okay, so how about September 21st?
September 21st. Okay. I don't know why I said September.
So it's gonna be due
Okay.
September 21st.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And did you have any, I'm sorry, thank you. Did you have any questions?
So it's just the 400 to pay for
Right.
Okay.
And I'm gonna waive the fine for the other.
Thank
the
you.
third time.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
You're welcome. So you are all set. One second. You all set, Ms. Davis.
Okay. Do I just leave? Like, I don't know.
You can just leave. Did you have
All
any
right.
questions?
Yeah, I did. For, for my other oh, okay. No, I don't. I'm
No
sorry.
questions?
No question.
Okay. Okay. All right, this is the People versus Marone Dean. Ticket number P1244460, count 1, driver's license never acquired, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Testamarian.
Good morning.
Your Honor.
Well, good morning, Lucille Towns Tesfamariam on behalf of Mr. Marone Dean. Sir, would you state your full name for the record, please?
Morone Dean.
Thank you. Your Honor, there is an offer by the people. My client would like to avail himself of this offer. He has been advised of his rights.
All right, Mr. Dean, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, you can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Testamarian in private about your case and your rights.
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of this October 1st, 2021 at approximately 12:51 a.m. on that date and time, were you at or near the location of Finkel and Rutherford in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you driving a 2009 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you not have a driver's license?
Right, correct.
You're satisfied with testimony?
Counsel satisfied with the factual basis.
All right, I'm also satisfied the factual basis will amend that count to fail to display. You stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining count to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
Okay, so let's dismiss without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's gonna be a fine, Mr. Dean, of $200. Can you have that paid by August 17th?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you have any questions, sir?
No, I'm all set.
Okay, good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, this is the people versus Ernest Roberts, ticket number 154-13753, count one. I'm sorry. Give me. I'm sorry, give me one moment. Okay, this is ticket number 174-74360, count one, drive-by license suspended. Ticket number 184-90121, count one, no operator's license on person. And ticket number P548714, count one, failed to display a valid operator's license, not a person, improper plate, and drive unregistered vehicle. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Lucille Towns Tesfamariam on behalf of Mr. Ernest Roberts Jr. Sir, would you state your full name for the record, please?
Ernest Roberts Jr.
Thank you. Your Honor, there is an offer by the people. My client would like to avail himself of that offer. He has been advised of his rights.
All right, so with that, Mr. Roberts, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Tesfamarian today in private about your case and your rights.
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
no,
You're pleading of your own free will?
yes,
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
yes,
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
yes,
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
yes,
I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of February 25th, 2016 at approximately 2:16 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of Finkel in Wyoming in the city of Detroit?
yes,
Were you driving a 2002 Ford vehicle?
yes,
You failed to display a valid operator's license, not a person?
yes,
Did you have a proper plate?
yes,
And was your vehicle unregistered?
yes,
Can you satisfy the factual basis, Ms. Testamarian?
Counsel satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is also satisfied the factual basis will accept the admission to these counts. You stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
Those matters are dismissed without prejudice. We will proceed to sentencing. There is going to be a fine of, I'm gonna do a fine of $150 for counts 1 and 2. I'll waive count 3. So it's gonna be a total of $300 that you'll need to pay.
thank you.
Can you have that paid by?
I haven't paid,
17th?
could it be, before,
Need more time?
this, probably September 1st, like that.
Okay, I'm gonna do September 21st.
That's cool. Or you can do September like 18 or something like that.
I'm gonna just do September 21st.
All right, thank
You
you.
can pay, you can pay it before then. Just you have till September 21st to pay it, okay?
Thank you.
Any
Thank you, Your
questions? You're welcome. We're all set. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Oh, but you know, Mr. Roberts, just
Huh?
FYI, it looks like there's another case that you still, unfortunately, you owe $506 on.
So how much total?
I'm just saying there was a case that you made, admit that you pled guilty in 2016.
Okay, I'll try to, as well add it on there with it.
Okay. All right. Good
Thank
luck,
you.
sir. You're welcome.
You're welcome.